Hair systems on their own do not smell. However, your chemical reaction to certain adhesives could cause a hair system to smell. When wearing anything on a constant basis, clothing, jackets, hats, you will soon realize that they need to be washed. The same goes for your system. Depending on the environment, your daily activities, this could be required more often than not. Dust, dirt, cigarette smoke, even cooking some foods could attach to your hair, causing them to smell and get dirty faster. Sweat with a combination of glues or tapes, if not maintained properly, could also cause a hair system to smell. To avoid this, make sure you wash your hair regularly based on your daily activities. If you find that even with proper cleaning you have an issue with odor, consider changing your adhesive, as it might not be the right combination with your chemistry. Hope this helps. Like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell, and we'll see you next time. Bye.